Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you can ChatGPT generate SQL code. Now this is a very interesting video, so let's get started. So as you can see, we're here in ChatGPT and we're just going to paste the the question, can ChatGPT generate SQL code? Now I already know the answer, but let's hit enter right here. And as you can see, yes, ChatGPT can generate SQL code. However, it's important to note that while GPT-3 is capable of generating SQL code, it's not a dedicated database management system or SQL compiler. It can assist in generating SQL queries, but it should not be relied on as a primary tool for building complex SQL-based applications. So it can only help you when it comes to SQL code, but it cannot, it can supplement your programming within the SQL. So let's say, can you write me a simple SQL code or query? And as you can see right here, sure, here's an example of simple SQL query. Select from customers, and then it basically gives you right here, this query will retrieve all the rows from the customers table. Not just that, you can definitely generate the SQL code, but not just that, you can generate queries. You can fix the code, fix the queries if you have maybe errors in the query, and you can do a lot more with ChatGPT 4 especially than with ChatGPT 3. But overall, yes, you can generate SQL code with ChatGPT. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next upcoming videos.